We're out here in San Jose, California, doing SoftWash roof cleaning on this 40 years old, or maybe a little bit more, tile roof. Our process is very simple, very gentle pressure, easy on tiles. You're not supposed to power wash the roof, otherwise the warranty will be voided. And also these tiles are actually over time with weather and UV, they become pretty brittle. Even with these elements, they start growing roots into the tiles. You can see like this one right here, pretty heavy. It was pretty heavy all over. So what we are pretty much doing is eliminating these elements instead of power washing it and breaking their tiles and taking the paint off and causing other kind of serious damages. We're treating this roof so that way we can eliminate these elements. If your roof looks like this or in this condition, this is the worst condition right now, please give us a call, 408-693-5140, or